leads were actually easy to get. I mean, seriously, seriously, just stupid simple. You actually hear from real people who want exactly whatever it is that you have. What if you could do that? I know it sounds like a pipe dream. It sounds like, oh, Eric, I know what you're going to tell me. You're going to tell me to put out ads. Nope, this is completely free. This is simple. You set it up once, and they just get fed to your email box over and over and over again, endlessly. It is just the simplest method I've ever seen. I can't believe I didn't think of this idea myself. It is absolutely incredible. I'm going to tell you all about it coming up in my review of the Instant Leads hack. Okay. You're looking right now at the sales page for the Instant Leads hack. This is from my friend James. Now, this is really incredible. You can see here, this is, by the way, I've actually tested this just this morning because I just got access to it this morning. I'm recording this around 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm already seeing leads coming in to my own inbox. Believe it or not, this really does work. You get leads off of Reddit and off of X, or Twitter, as it used to be called. And the nice thing is that these are not Google leads where somebody's doing a casual search. Okay, when people put something on Reddit or on X, they are asking specifically for information about something. I am looking for a plumber in such and such place. Okay, they're looking for something specific. And you can be as specific as you want in order to set these things up so you can find the exact leads that want what you want. James has a secret hack that he uses in order to be able to pull these leads in over and over and over again. They're constantly coming in, and you set it up once and it'll just keep coming again and again and again. You're going to get tons and tons of emails to you directly to your inbox saying, hey, here's the information, here's the person who wants it. You're going to have everything there, and you're going to be able to reach out and start selling these people stuff. Now, what's really, really cool, by the way, though, about this thing is that it doesn't just work for the make money online niche. You know, and I stress this a lot. Make money online is a very hard industry to get into. I'm in it, and I've been doing it for a number of years, so I continue to do it. But to be perfectly blunt, I don't rely on make money online exclusively in order to make money online. I actually do a lot of different things in order to make a living online, because trying to compete in this tiny space, you're gonna struggle if this is the only thing you're trying to do. Okay, if all you're trying to do is sell products like this or other products of a similar nature for like $10, $15, you'll make some money. Don't get me wrong. I've made over the years from this business probably at least $500,000. Okay, over the past 4 or 5 years, so like probably $100,000 a year, right? And that includes, of course, high ticket sales as well. It's not just, you know, these $5, $10, $15, $20 items that I'm selling. But it is a difficult industry because there is a lot of competition, and you have to have really good bonuses, which of course does bring me to my custom bonus, because after all, this wouldn't be a man in a hat review without an amazing custom bonus. Okay, yeah, you know what? That's perfectly fine. You with your fancy hat tricks. I can do the hat tricks too, by the way, but I don't need to show off for these people because they know me. They know I'm going to give them good stuff. Okay. Okay, but seriously, let me show you my custom bonus. This time, what I did was I put together a package of all of my own products. These are not stuff that I bought licenses to and then reselling to you. You actually are getting my exclusive stuff, including a brand new bunch I just put together just for this particular product, plus another 13 of my other courses, which are all high quality stuff. These, again, are not stuff that were created in order to be PLR. These are not stuff that were that I bought PLR rights to and then resell the PLRs to you. These are my own personal stuff. So check this out. So first of all, I put together a brand new list of the 100 hottest niches that you can generate leads in and where to sell them. because the fact of the matter is, and they're going to show you, by the way, inside the course, I believe it's video 4, they're going to show you exactly how much these leads are worth. So like lawyer leads, for example, are worth like 150 bucks a piece. Okay. Somebody puts in, I need a lawyer, that's worth 150 bucks. And there's a whole list of them, but I'm going to tell you where to sell these leads to. And I'm going to tell you what the hottest 100 niches are to get leads in. This is super valuable because this means that you do not have to just do the make money online niche. You can literally take this idea and start running with it and getting stuff from other places and making even more sales and more money. All right. In addition to that, I've got a whole bunch of my own courses. First of all, how to make custom YouTube thumbnails completely for free. Again, everything from me is going to come with PLR rights, how to write profit-sucking headlines, my best kept secrets for great headlines, how to monetize even a tiny YouTube channel, and also how to get aged Instagram accounts. This is something very, very special that you can make a ton of money from. How to grab completely free traffic with no effort, how to profit from Facebook with a new loophole, how to get paid for what you know without creating a product, without traffic, and without affiliates. None of the usual stuff is required. Okay, how to make money giving stuff away for free. My own course, Sales Page Secrets, how to make great sales pages every time. This one is huge. I haven't given this away in a very long time. My own email success secrets. You're getting PLR rights to email success secrets. All right. I'm also going to show you how to get free virtual credit cards. This is hugely important online because there is a lot of fraud out there. You can create a virtual credit card over and over again and just put in, okay, I want to spend, I want to buy this and this course for $12. You make a virtual credit card and it has a one-time use, $12. It cannot be used any other time. And so you're never going to have to worry about fraud, about your credit card numbers getting stolen. This is alone well worth it. I'm going to show you to you in my custom bonus. I'm also going to give you my bonus on how to come up with titles for books, plus an idea generator and an AI system that evaluates your titles so you'll know what you're going to sell. I also have the first part of the MMO Newbies Guide. Again, I don't really give this out very often at all. YouTube, and finally, Tube Dominator Platinum. This is the exact course that I sold for $497, and you get it completely for free with PLR rights. You can sell it, give it away, use it as your own bonus. You're getting all these things, and right now, as I'm recording this video, the price is just $11.70. It is a dime sale, so the price will go up. Do not hesitate to buy because the price will keep going up. But this is really incredible. Let me show you the members area very quickly. So it's basically just a series of videos that you're going to be watching. If you want to be a successful entrepreneur.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Okay, thank you, Liz. That's very kind of you. But seriously, if you want to be a successful entrepreneur, you really don't, it's useful to see the first few videos when they introduce the whole concept. You don't really need them in order to be able to do things. If you want to dive right in and start making money, start getting leads right away, you can go all the way to video 5, I believe it was, is the video where they're actually going to share the exact secrets in order to start setting this up so you can start drawing in leads. The first 4 videos are basically going to tell you about how a general overview of how it works, as well as how much these leads are worth, which is useful to know about. I do recommend you do that. It's just not necessarily something that you need to do in order to be able to get started. And if you're the kind of person who says, cut the crap, I just want to get straight to the bones, start with a video.
Crap, I like crap, I love crap, I need crap.
5. Okay, well, thank you. I'm glad that you like crap, but these people don't. Now, by the way, I'm not saying the first 4 videos are crap. They're not. They're actually very valuable. It's just if you want to jump right in and get started, start at video 5. Okay, so again, you're getting all of these bonuses included from me. Nobody else has such an incredible package. And again, these are all my own products. These are not stuff that I bought a license to and then resell the license to you. These are my own stuff that are exclusively for me. Nobody else has them except for me. getting all of these bonuses included in my package when you pick up Instant Leads Hack from me. And again, right now, as I'm recording this, it's $11.70. The price will go up, of course, because it is a dime sale. So do not wait. Let's see if I'm going to formally give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
You the man!
Yeah, seriously, okay, you demand. This really, really is an amazing idea. I am so glad to have found it because I am personally using it and I am already getting value out of this. This one is good. You're going to love this.